The 5 toes of our foot are head reflexology zones. You can use your thumb joint to stimulate this area. Stimulate the forehead reflexology zone. Fix the toes with one hand. Use the thumb of your other hand to press. If you have any head discomfort, you can scrape here. After scraping, let's stimulate the trigeminal nerve reflexology zone. Use our thumb to rub upwards here. Next is the nose reflexology zone. You can rub here for a while longer. Then it's the cervical spine reflexology zone. Those with restricted cervical spine movement can rub here more often. These 4 toes are frontal sinus reflexology zones. Hold with your thumb, push up and scrape. Each toe should be scraped at least 5 times. Next are the toe seams. 2 are for the eyes. The other 2 are for the ears. People who frequently look at phones and computers and have dry eyes can stimulate here more often. Press with your thumb joint. Press the eye reflexology zone 3 times. Press each position at least 9 times. This is the ear reflexology zone. If your ears often buzz, you can stimulate here more often. The ear reflexology zone is the same as the eye. Press each position at least 9 times. This is the eye socket reflexology zone. Use your thumb to rub here. Of the 4 toes, 2 are the eye sockets. This is the ear auricle. All should be rubbed. Note that both sides of the toe should be rubbed. The eye sockets, the ear auricles, after rubbing, pull the toe seams. Pull each toe seam at least 6 times. Finally, tap the sole of the foot for relaxation.